So it's 6 in the morning. We're at the McDonald's, just grabbing some food. Got the boat behind the trailer. And it's the day after opening day of Sandheads. And the plan is to go out and try and catch a Chinook. We're excited. We brought all the MR3s. We're gonna do some down rigging. And we're gonna be running bait, baby, bait. And hopefully we can get on some fish and get our limits. It's gonna be awesome. Hope you guys have enjoyed the first day and are enjoying the start of the salmon season. And yeah, it's gonna be a good one. And we'll see you out there. We're gonna be launching soon, so see ya. Just one thing I wanted to add was we got this 18-foot jet boat, and we only kind of take this thing out when it's 0.3 meter waves on average, just because like when it gets too choppy, it like pushes that boat around. Since it's not that deep of a V, like it doesn't cut the best through waves. So yeah, if you're on a smaller boat, just be careful when you go out that way. We're gonna be running a lot of sharp flashers, Derby winner, salty dog, all this sort of stuff. Maybe we can show you a bit of how to tie up the anchovies, and yeah, kind of how we're fishing as well, and see if we can get some bites on film too. That's kind of the goal. I brought the GoPro and I got a little mount, so we'll pop it up there and see if we can get any bites. Sun's just coming up now, and I think we're gonna launch the boat at Vanier, boat launch right downtown Kits, and yeah, should be sweet.
Hey, Big Pop, turn it on. Big Pop.
Justin's hooked up. Nice job, dude. Hell yeah. Look at all these guys coming out. And we're on them, baby, this morning. We're on them. Casey's rod just got hit. Woo! Holy crap, if we land this.
Still not ready.
Fuck. Hell yeah, dude.
Probably one or two more of those. One or two more.
Just keep tight with it. Make sure you keep nice and tight, dude. Nice job. Look at that sunrise, too, man.
Tire him out. Good fish. I'd say he's like 15, 16. That's my guess.
Yep.
You know, good thing we brought pens today.
Yep. Pull up on it. Pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Get it, Casey. Lift up. Lift up. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nice job, dude. Nice job.
That's over 62.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
For sure. Hey, Casey. Nice job on the net. Give that a whack. Whack and stack, baby.
It's fucking dead.
Hey. Good job, guys. Good job. That fish ate it hard, eh? Smacked it. Yeah, get that out of there. Nice job. Dude, great Chinook.
Nice.
Fucking beauty. Okay, give her a bonk, pop her in the box.
Yeah. And yeah, hit this below.
Oh, we're fucking on. Get that, dude. Nice.
Alright, so they're keeper, eh? They're keeper?
Yeah, Casey. Look at those head shakes, dude. This is a big fish.
Might just limit out once.
It's
a big bait,
Big
Casey.
baits for big fish, dude.
Let's see what you want to just talk about what you're using.
So right now we're using a mix of anchovies and herring, but man, we're getting fish on big 7-inch herring, 6-inch anchovies, like big baits for big fish, man. It's on fire today. We're running a treble single. So we got a size for my herring leaders. We got a 1/0 treble to a 3/0 out the back. Got a nice roll, as you can see. Got a nice curve in that herring already, so I don't have to do much to him.
Yeah.
Head all the way in. Pin. Make sure he's pinned nice. Pop that all the way through. And what I like to do here is I like to sort of measure it. Like that is optimal. That is your optimal length, basically. It's right there. What I like to do is I like to get my one of my prongs here real flush. So I come in at an angle all the way down. So it's flush like that, basically. It's running parallel. As close as you can get the shank to your fish, the better it is.
Yeah.
Tighten it up just a teeny bit, and then this thing's rolling. We're gonna catch a big sucker on this bait.
Oh yeah, we will.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You guys got to get out here, man. It's unreal. On the surface.
Look at this. He's swinging.
Oh yeah, he's coming. Real. Keep that tip high too.
There we go.
Nice.
Go on, boys.
Hold on.
Bro. My ass, dude.
Oh yeah. Get that fish. Got it. Worry about that fish. It's the most important thing. Oh my god. Fuck. That's nice. That's fucking Let's get him.
There, he's done.
Alright.
And that's the nervous system. One more for safe measures. It's gone.
Insane.
I can't even get this hook out. Oh, there we go.
That's unreal. That's a doe as well.
Yeah.
We're getting rode about it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we ended up catching those 3 fish. That buoy 10, probably a kilometer away. Now we moved down to Sandheads. Guys, we sent them. There's a buttload of boats, man. I'll show you guys a video in a sec. There's a ton. But yeah, we're gonna troll here, see if we can get anything. Let you know what our depths are and whatever in a sec. But yeah, also want to put up the GoPro, see if we can get some strikes on cam.
Look at all the marks on the sounder. 75 feet, 100 feet, 175, 200. They're just everywhere, through and through. Even at the surface, 50, 30. Cam.
It's hectic.
I don't know, man.
It's amazing. Oh, Casey. Yeah, that was good. It's on. Oh, Chinook. Okay.
Oh, it's off the cliff.
Hit it.
Bro, that was so delayed.
Double up, baby. Double up. Double up.
Oh, I lost them.
Get their head up there and bring them backwards. It's the best way to get them. Lift up now, Casey. Up and glide it in.
Got some reach.
Oh,
Yeah. Boys. Fuck yeah.
Woo!
Alright, go ahead, probably tape that one.
That's a taper, yeah.
That's a close one. Where's the tape?
Dude, awesome.
Beautiful.
Hold that up higher.
66 centimeters. It's nice fish.
Yeah.
Good size.
What's the limit here again?
2 fish over 62. Hatch or wild.
Okay, what area are we in?
29.
Yeah, 29. I'll put it up on the screen,
Yeah, we'll
what
figure
area
out the
we're in.
sub-area.
But yeah, nice fish. That's 3 in the boat. Hell yeah.
Get under it. Holy fuck, boys! Woo! Fucking awesome, man. Hoochie, baby! I told you! Amazing! Let's go! Lift up. Big lift. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh my god, that is fucking big. Yeah, that's woo! We got them both.
This is absolutely insane. Just help her too.
So many freaking like.
So left hand up, left hand up.
Here.
Yes, and brace the rod against yourself against like your hip, like there. Okay, good. Let him run.
Nice.
He's gonna run. He's running.
I don't understand when you know when to be okay.
When it comes loose.
We're fucking on again. Holy, get her, dude. Get her. Let's go. Get tight with it.
Don't. Oh my gosh. You could be a keeper. He's just running like crazy, eh? See that?
Thompson fish. Snubby fucking nose. Like this is a beautiful 16, 17 pound fish.
Charlotte got that fish. Nice fish, Charlotte. So we've just been absolutely slaying them. Just want to show you guys the fish we got in the bloodied up fish box. You can see this. Just loaded up to the brim. Honestly, I just wanted to let you guys know, like, I don't know if we have that much more space. We got 2 more fish to limit out. And there's still all those boats out there. They're just biting the hoochie and the anchovy, and yeah, unreal. Casey, what was the head on the anchovy? The splatterback, right?
Yeah, it's I'll bring this over. So this is the Reese Davis anchovy special. It's a glow chartreuse green splatterhead, and this thing's these last 2 days, me and Cam have been just ripping fish on this thing. Yeah, might have to induct it to the Hall of Fame of lures.
Might actually have to. Exactly. And what about that hoochie, man?
And that hoochie, yo, this guy.
Hoochie.
So this is a UV hoochie. It's got a chartreuse insert, nice flash. It's a chartreuse with a green splatterback. This is a great hoochie for, you know, nice. 50 feet and above, 50 to surface. Yeah. And I got this on like I'd say this is like what, 28-inch leader. A little bit longer for Chinook. If you want to tie this as a coho hoochie, then you know, 16, 18 inches. Damn.
Nice.
In 20. How'd you know? More than 11.
Oh, one of these for the ocean. I think you're talking about
what do you want? Oh, yeah, he wants the center. Oh, fuck.
The spoon fight, baby! I'm telling you! Dude, the spoon are fucking killing.
Keep going, just keep going. Okay. He's running.
Body him up.
Get his ass! Yeah, buddy!
With this Casey G, baby! Beauty.
7.
Alright, I'll get the last one. Greasy. Put that out there. What is that, a Brad's cut plug?
Yeah, bro.
Take him? Alright, take it. He's right here. That's okay. That's a good start. I'm gonna cut plug his rough.
That was quick. I dropped that down for like 30 seconds. over. Looks over. Looks over.
Yeah, almost 70.
Nice. Run that. That's it. Hit him.
Nice, we did it, we did it.
We got the limit.
All fish.
Nah, Bowen. Yeah, Bowen, really? Yeah. He's too quick.
I'm not gonna drop. Let him run.
Good fish.
Let him run.
Take that fish. Oh my gosh, dude. With these fish, you don't want to come off
That
your
fish
game.
is still running. So.
You want to film this or is it filming? Yeah, it's filming right now.
This might be the one.
We got a big one on, so just watch out.
See those flies on getting the shit out of the water, bro.
The reel doesn't even make noise when it started making noise.
Yeah, right? Unreal. Back to them?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, it's just tiny. Holy fuck, that's wrong. Wow, damn, I'm sad. It's on the
Did you back off the drag a lot?
Oh, fuck. Big rip. Is your red or what is it?
Bullet crow, man.
What? Big white.
Casey, big hit. Fuck, GoPro on.
Bro, it was just as you
Or not. Travis, take this. Travis, get on this now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is the one. Oh, yeah.
Get it. Yup, you're hooked up.
Can you bring mine in?
No.
Oh, keep tight. Good time. Ready? Go. Jumps like this. Oh, that's nice. That looks right. Camera. Come on, go. Cam.
Huh?
What?
Yeah,
Holy
well,
shit, look at them all on the screen.
Get your rod down, dude. And you got that Anchovy already, too.
Cam, the ride home's gonna be real nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's true. Holy shit, we almost got 8 in the box, no?
I'm at 2, you're at 2, no, we're at 6 right now. Whoa!
Travis,
GoPro,
get on
start
it.
recording.
Travis, get on it now. My bad,
No,
dude.
he's there. You get him. You figured it out.
Travis gonna get him on the net. I think we're running.
Ready? I'm trying to swing him in.
Wait,
Nope.
not yet.
This fish ain't happy. It's not happy. You know what I think?
That thing's ready to run up in canyon, bro.
Thank God for 30-pound fluoro meters.
Yeah, eh? Keeping her strong.
This thing bent.
It is. Okay, bring up. Okay, we're stuck in the clip. Just net him now. Nice. Nice, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Get that in. Oh my gosh.
Trailhead on fucking full anchovy flasher, man. Catching fucking donkeys out here.
Oh yeah, dude.
Look at that. Look at the
Thing
fucking...
looks so huge. Just came right out.
Oh fuck! Travis, take it.
GoPro, start recording.
You're on it now.
Travis, my man, dude. Hey,
Travis, get on that. Oh my gosh! Turning around. Whoa, he's big. Fucking. Oh, ow. He's knuckle buster. Knuckle busted me so hard. Oh my God. Move it a little bit that way. Nice. A little bit more. Up. One more. Now. Let us out. There we go.
Just packing up after the 2 days. It was awesome. Young bucks got their salmon. They're heading off, and yeah, man. Sorry, the first week of sep's usually the best. But definitely get out there, dude.
Absolutely, these last 2 days have just been bonanza.
They've been unreal. But now we gotta head back. lay these fish and head out. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.